The theme of today is hands-on. Hands-on. Say it with me, hands-on.
Hands-on.
All right, so what you're seeing here is an example of a local resource. And one of the themes that you've been talking to me all year about is about engagement, about getting kids interested in history. There's a huge difference between seeing something on a computer screen and actually being able to touch it, look at it, smell it, that musty oldness, right, that comes in these kind of museums. So your task today is to be like a regular school teacher that's getting ready to take their kids on a field trip. And this is your prep work. Will I want them to look at artifacts and think like a historian? And perhaps you're thinking a little bit more on the meta in terms of what story is being told here. As you look around, this building and all these artifacts tells a particular story. Whose story is being told? Whose story might not be told?
Welcome today, and this is the home of Polk County Historical Society. We cover the entire Polk County, so any students from the county are very welcome here, and they're going to get a little taste of their past. It's very important for local children to access their local museums for that reason, connecting children with real living history.
Museums are great because they allow us to see how things were when everyone has these preconceived notions from TV. These give us a more hands-on connection to the past.
As a future teacher, this field trip really inspires me because I think it gives me a lot of ideas of ways to really immerse students in culture and the history that's around them.
The hands-on stuff is really what gets stuff to stick and retain that knowledge. And by being able to come here, we're all finding these individual lesson plans are all probably going to be different, but yet when we come to class, I mean, now we're going to have like 30 different lesson plans that we could probably choose from if we write down those ideas. Being able to go into a museum like this, to be able to access the history of the area you're teaching in, is just another facet of what, Western makes it a point of. It's teaching us how to be better teachers in the most effective way.